Alright guys, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. Please make sure to like, subscribe, and also share these videos to your friends so we can spread the good news of metaphors. So this video right here is really going to help the new people that are just joining the metaphors platform. Right, so I'm using MetaMask wallet right here. I'm going to paste the description of the metaphors wallet on the description so you can download one of it. All right, so now let's click here to access our metaphors dashboard. All right, so if you are just joining or if you just signed up, this is the first place you're going to see. So this is the metaphors dashboard. All right, so first of all, what I recommend you do first is to at least get to know or see your referral link, because that's important. So if you click on this top right corner button right here, you're going to see your referral link or your invite link. If you click on it, it's copied already. All right, you can also see your profile where you can get some more information about your accounts. For example, you can get your first ID here, you can see your wallet ID, you can see the particular level that you are right now, and you get to know your upline. All right, there are some more informations, but let's leave that for now. So you click on this home to go to your dashboard, and if you're in your dashboard right now, what you need to do first of all, the first place you go to is not this unitverse or royalty NFT. All right, the best place to start as a beginner is this tactile. So let's click on it, and that's because this is where you can get to see your levels. All right, so you see your level 1 to 12 here, and this is the first place you can start in metaphors. And the first thing you have to do is to activate your level 1. If you've not done that, this account has level 1 activated already. So I'm yet to activate the level 2 right now. I just did this account for the purpose of this video. All right, so it's not very serious. So but you need to do that if you've just joined. All right, so the more you upgrade is the more money you make in metaphors. And if you've activated your level 1, activate your level 2, 3, and also. All right, because the more you upgrade is the more you become eligible for lots of the features and benefits that metaphors has to offer. For example, if you've not activated your level 1 to level 5, you cannot participate in some of the programs and some of the benefits that in the Universe program. Do you understand? You would have to do that. For example, now let me tell you what I mean. Now this is your Universe, all right? So that's why you have to start from this tactile, because for you to do anything in Universe and in royalty NFT, you must first of all reach your level 5 in this tactile. All right, for example, on this royalty NFT, this is where you can be earning monthly for metaphors. You cannot earn monthly for metaphors without activating or minting your NFT. All right, and to mint your NFT, you would have to get to level 5 first of all, and then you get to level 3 in the Universe. All right, so for example, now if I want to mint this NFT now, if I click now, they'll ask me to level up, and they're now bringing me back to activate or to upgrade my levels. All right, so it's when I get to level 5 and now I come here and activate and get to level 3, that's when I can mint my NFT. All right, but it's a gradual process. So you start from level 1 all through to level 5. All right, yeah, so that's that about your beginning level. All right, so just make sure to get your referral link and create a group chat where you can add your members to the group and also share them metaphors content, and they will join you, and that's how you can grow in metaphors. You can also navigate these platforms and see a lot of the features that metaphors has. It's a complete ecosystem, and there are a lot of things you can do. For example, this academy is where you can go and learn more about metaphors itself and also cryptocurrency at large. So if you don't know much about crypto, this is where you can get to have that understanding. And if you want to see latest news and updates and the events happening in the metaphors ecosystem, you can check that right here on this news and events section. And if you've minted your NFT now and you feel like you want to sell your NFT, you can get that in the NFT marketplace. You can also buy from someone as well. All right, so that's how it goes. So you can either mint your NFT and keep it and allow it to appreciate, and then you come to this marketplace and sell it, or you buy from someone from the marketplace. All right, and there are a lot of things also on this side of your back office, but it's a gradual process. And let's just say you are just joining. So what you want to do first of all is to go to the tactile and upgrade your levels and add or refer members to your team. That's how you can grow. All right. So we're going to make more videos as time goes on the rest of the metaphors back office section, or more of the features or programs that metaphors has to offer us that we can benefit from. All right, so thank you so much for your time and watching this video. Please make sure to make the most use of it. Have a blessed day.